So we want to write an equation that's parallel to a line that they gave us. Keywords to look for on this are the words parallel. So we have to know what to look for parallel lines. And then our line is going to pass through this point, -3, -5. So we want to be parallel to y equals -4x plus 1. What we want to remember about parallel lines is parallel lines have the same slope. So if we want to be parallel to this line they gave us, I want to have the same slope that they have. And so we want to look at this y equals -4x plus 1 and pick out the slope from there. And I notice the slope is going to be in front of our x value. So our slope is a -4. And I'm going to come over here and say, all right, I want this slope to be a -4 also. Now that we have picked out the slope from that line they gave us, we're done with this information. We're not going to use that again. We got the slope. Now we know what slope to use for our line. We're good to go. So for the line that we have a point and we have a slope. So we are going to write this in point slope form. Point slope form is this form right here, where this is your x1 and y1 up there. So we do y minus a -5 becomes a +5, minus the negative becomes plus, equals your slope is -4 times x minus a -3 becomes +3. Okay, so we have the equation for our line right now. We'll go ahead and get this into slope-intercept form for our final answer. To get to slope-intercept form, we want to solve for y, which means go ahead and distribute this -4, get everything all laid out. So we have -4x minus 12, and then subtract 5 from both sides. And in the end, we have y equals -4x minus 17. So we know that our line is parallel to the line they gave us because our slope is -4 and their slope was -4. Because those slopes are the same, the lines are parallel.